Well, I came home like a stone, and I fell heavy into your arms. These days of dust which we've known will blow away with this new sun. But I'll kneel down waitful now, and I'll kneel down on my ground. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. So break my step and relent. Will you forgive? And I won't forget. Now what we've seen, and him with less. Now in some way shake the excess. 'Cause I will wait for you. And I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Now I'll be bold as well as strong, and use my head alongside my heart. So tame my flesh and fix my eyes, a tethered mind freed from lies. And I'll kneel down waitful now, and I'll kneel down, stand my ground. 'Cause I will wait for you. Because I will wait.